What's good, y'all? It's your boy and Bird the Plus grandson, man. Look, I'm tapping in with y'all real quick. I want to hip y'all to something, man. We got a couple upgrades, and we in an upgraded location. Shout out to Prestige Filmworks, Alex Acosta. So look, matter of fact, it's a little dark in here, man. This is what we're gonna do. Let me show y'all something. We're gonna hit this button. All right, so now it's still a little dark in here, so let me show y'all something. We're gonna turn that light on. Boom. Bam. Light is on. So it might look a little clear in here, but we still want to add a little bit to it. So let's turn some more lights on in here. So we're gonna go to the office tubes. Look at that light in the corner. Bam. I'm gonna show y'all the office I'm gonna show you the office in a second. But now we got the lights on in this joint. Hair light device right there. I don't know why that's on. We're not gonna turn it on. Anyways, so right now I'm talking to y'all on I don't even know the brand of this mic. I got it for Christmas randomly. I think it's from Timu probably. Shout out to Timu because the mic did its justice. But what I'm about to show y'all now is an upgrade. We about to go to a different mic. I'm pretty sure y'all know what this mic is when you see it, but I'm gonna show y'all the unboxing of it right now. All right, y'all. I already unzipped it. We got the DJI mic. So this is what we gonna do. Matter of fact, let's spice it up a little bit. Let's spice it up in here a little bit. Let's get these office tubes. Go down the hall. Let's get it popping. Let's get it nice and green in here, you know what I'm saying? Go back. Let's get it nice and green in here, man. Uh-huh. Yeah. Get it nice and green in here, y'all. All right. So, DJI mic come in a nice zipper bag. Already took out the wind. That stops the wind from, messing up the quality. So right here, boom. Come with two mics. Fire. Fire. Two. Now I can run down on people interviewing. Here's an adapter. Now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pause this video and we're gonna add the new mic and see how everything sounds. All right, y'all, as you can see, that's the old mic I had from Timu. And now we got the new DJI mic. I know you can hear the quality. I know you can hear how, hey, listen, this is a crazy upgrade, man. Shout out Prestige Filmworks, Alex Costa, man, for letting me use this and for some content. But now let's take y'all around the office, man.